Hi, welcome to MachineStation. Today we have a Fadal 4020. Very clean machine, as you guys can see. Very minimal use to it. Original paint on the inside. We have a 21 tool carousel type changer, 10,000 RPM spindle. It is a high torque spindle. This is a HT model. It doesn't come with rigid tapping. Fadal CNC 88 control. This was retrofitted in 2004. Upgraded 4 megabyte memory. You have your disc on the side for floppy. Everything on the machine sounds very healthy. Ball screws, I mean, you name it. That's the spindle at 3,300 RPM. 7,000. 10,000 RPM, that's max. Very nice machine. Will do the job definitely. It is made in the US. Comes with your chip plan. Comes with all your manuals, all the books you need, all your commands. Machine's ready to go. If you guys have any questions, give us a call at 909-919-9600 or visit us at MachineStation.us. Thank you guys for watching.